So in my previous video, I described and showed you how we can create a game from scratch using GameMaker and GML. But you can say that I was a bit cheating, because, well, I know programming. So what if I create a game in GameMaker without using programming at all? It is possible using GameMaker Visual Language. Hi there, my name is TestEncoder, and today we're trying to find out, is it possible to make a nice and complete game in GameMaker without writing code? Let me show you my game concept. You play as a piece of sugar who is terrified of water. Rain or just water falls randomly from top of the screen. There is a bucket there and bucket there, they fill with water and the water just falls down. Your job is to jump left or right to avoid the water. This is simple and hopefully engaging. I go to GameMaker and create a new pixel game project. Now that I have a project, it's time to organize assets. Many beginners make the mistake of not organizing assets and they end up with the messy project, which is going to hinder your progress if you make a big game. I'm creating a group for players, rain, and other game elements. I'm also setting up the room dimensions, 880 by 640 pixels. That should be mobile-friendly resolution scaled by half. Always plan your resolution early, it will affect your UI scaling and performance. I'm creating three main objects: the player, our sugar cube, water bucket, and the water drops, or waterfall, whatever you call it. But that's the prototype, and I can always change the sprites and the way it looks later. What you don't want, though, is to spend ages on making perfect design and then finding out that the game isn't actually engaging and fun to play. If you want to know more about making nice-looking games, check this video where I explain how you can make a game looking nice even if you don't have any designer skill. It's time for step 4. Use some visual scripting to make the game playable. This is my first time using GameMaker Visual Language, so at this point I'm not really sure if I'm going to make it work. So I'm setting the player movement using drag and drop actions. That's actually not bad at all, and you can visually see the code flow, which could be helpful when you start programming. I'm adding some random bucket placement and collision detection, and after some trial and errors, see this! We have a fully functional game created entirely with visual scripting. So here it is, I build a game without writing code. I have player input, random events, and collision detection, and game state management, all the core elements. The key takeaway, I guess, is that GameMaker Visual Language is not bad at all, and I probably will even use it in my games from time to time for simple objects. And if you can use Scratch, you can make definitely nice-looking 2D games in GameMaker using only the visual language. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, consider adding a like, comment and subscribing. This really helps. Are you going to create your next game using visual language? Or just proper coding? Let me know in the comments below. It was TestEncoder Games. See you around, folks.